Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know how to achieve a bright and glowing complexion at home with the orange peels that you usually throw away? Watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how to make your own skin-loving orange toner that will change your skincare game.
Before we continue, take a moment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description down below.
Take some fresh orange peels and soak them overnight. The natural astringent properties of orange peels can help tighten pores, giving your skin a smoother appearance and reducing the risk of acne. Next day, blend the soaked orange peels with its water. Strain and squeeze out the juice. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric extract and 2 tablespoons of rosewater. Mix everything together and pour it into spray bottle. This toner is packed with vitamin C. Spray it on your clean face 2 to 3 times a day. It will help brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and promote a more even skin tone. Try making this toner, your skin will thank you.